Alright guys, let's start. Look at that! The chassis steel is still being cut with a manual flame torch. No robots here, pure muscle power. So precise! The guy is marking the hole points with white chalk. Super classic, but insanely accurate. Whoa, that drilling machine is massive! Look at those metal shavings flying everywhere. Don't let it hit your hands. The chains creaking, pulling that heavy chassis beam using only a manual pulley. That's crazy. Now this is the most satisfying part, welding the chassis crossmember. That bright blue light is intense. Ding ding, knocking off the welding slag manually. So patient, the detail is seriously maintained. The grinder's throwing sparks. The red chassis is being smoothed out, no metal bumps allowed. Damn, the rivets are heated until they glow like lava. Now that's real heavy industry. Ta-da-ta-da-ta! The pneumatic hammer sounds so crisp. The chassis is now locked solid, insanely sturdy. Even installing a bracket takes serious strength. That wrench is super long for maximum torque. Using a string to check alignment? That's master-level technique. No need for laser sensors when your eyes are pro. Boom! One hit with a sledgehammer and the engine mount fits perfectly. Precision through pure strength. Whoosh! Finally, primer paint is sprayed. The red is starting to show a bit. Nice. Crick, crick. The air brake tank is secured. No leaks allowed. That's life or death for braking later. Applying grease to the leaf springs keeps it smooth and silent under heavy loads. The steel pin is hammered into the bracket. Nothing automatic, everything done with human sweat. Front axle coming down. Easy there, bro. Watch your feet. That's all cast iron. Look at those veins as he tightens the torque wrench. Pure human strength locking the front axle. Shock absorbers installed, so the ride stays smooth, not like riding a wild horse. The steering joints are super smooth. Maneuvering this giant truck will feel light. Whoa, a double rear axle. Massive, like giant steel legs. Ready for action. Hammered again with a sledgehammer. That sound, metal hitting metal, is pure factory music. Pulled together. The teamwork is amazing. No robots here, just brothers in arms. The torsion bar is installed. This is what keeps the truck stable during sharp turns. Adjusting the brakes by feel. Click, click. That's definitely solid. No brake failure downhill. Now the engine internals. The gasket must be perfect. Even a slight miss and oil will leak. The massive manual transmission goes in. Push, bro, just a bit more. There, finally connected. The most intense moment. The V8 diesel engine is lowered. Whistle blows, all eyes focused. Crawling under the chassis, that's a real mechanic sacrifice. Clothes covered in oil for perfection. That radiator is as big as a house door. High horsepower needs massive cooling. The fan spins a bit, small but mighty, crucial for keeping the truck's heart cool. Radiator hoses installed. Feels like heart surgery. So many complex pipelines. The vertical exhaust pipe rises. That shiny stack pipe looks fierce. It's gonna sound brutal. The drive shaft is super heavy, lifted manually with a bottle jack. Hang in there, bro. Click. Torque checked again. Safety first. Don't want the shaft coming loose on the highway. Keep pumping the oil. How many drums does it take? This is a luxury truck for sure. The fan belt is tight. The engine is ready to roar, just waiting for the start moment. The red cabin panels are assembled, gently tapped with a rubber hammer to keep the paint flawless. Thud. The red door is installed. Even the sound feels solid and premium. Installing the windshield with a hand vacuum. Everyone holds their breath. Don't let it crack. The dashboard looks so macho. All analog buttons, no over-the-top touchscreen. The metal pedals are thick. Pressing them feels like controlling a real monster. That leather seat looks comfy, carried by 2 people. Careful, don't scratch it. Cab meets chassis, finally united. The visual is insane, so powerful. Crick, crick, the cabin is locked tight to the frame, won't shake even on mining roads. The silver bulldog grille appears. This is the iconic Mack toughness, blinding under the lights. The massive red hood comes down, perfectly covering the V8 engine, clean and neat. Front fenders installed. The body lines are now visible. That red really pops. The aluminum tank is insanely shiny. You could fix your hair using it as a mirror. Battery terminals installed. Electricity starts flowing through the truck's nerves. Almost ready. The giant tires arrive. Just rolling them takes effort, let alone installing them. Stepping on the wheel wrench. Insane power. Those lug nuts won't come loose. Rear cables are neatly rounded through the chassis. No pinched or shorted wires. Turn signals attached to the red fender. The monster now has its eyes. Steel steps installed. Makes climbing easier. No acrobatics needed. Final touch, the silver bulldog emblem sits proudly in front. Seriously cool. Keep wiping it till it shines. Remove all factory dust. Let that red glow. Check the tire pressure. No underinflation. Must meet factory standards for the road. Driver gets in, presses the clutch, turns the key. Vroom, vroom. That engine sounds brutal. Look at that, rolling out of the factory in style. Human hard work wins. Mack Pioneer 2025. Insane.